Hello everyone, I am Ayushi and currently I am pursuing my B.Sc degree in Information Technology with a specialization in Cloud Computing and Information Security from Techno India University, backed by our industry partner iNurture. So I have joined this course since the field of cloud computing and information security has a mammoth market now, and the rise for its products and services are rising daily. So this course trains me to meet the current industry requirements and improvise my ready to deploy skills with the help of our highly experienced faculty panel who train us and groom us to become industry ready. I by now have an advanced learning experience in ethical hacking, cloud scripting, computer forensics, server-side scripting, and much more. So our campus has well furnished labs and libraries, and we get a chance to attend workshops at least twice a month so that we can interact with the accomplished and successful people of industry, of course. So lastly, I would like to say that our course is highly professional and slightly different from the traditional ones and is definitely worth pursuing. Thank you.